The Schneider partnership is a great benefit to us. We are already badge holders for APC and IT solutions as well as EV and infrastructure. So the IAD badge just sits nicely with those. It gives us an understanding.
I would say being an alliance partner lets our customers know that we are a serious company. It lets them know that we can deliver solutions at high level, and it lets them know that we can provide quality. It also gives me the confidence that my team is going to get the training that it needs.
We're in a very good place, and I think we're very happy to be working with Schneider. Being an alliance partner is shaping the future together.
NeoDyne being an endorsed AVEVA partner is one of the things that sets us apart from other system integrators. It's quite a select group, and that enables us to deliver solutions that maybe other partners aren't able to.
Being an alliance partner with Schneider Electric, I think, is for us it's hugely advantageous, because we look at it as, you know, a partnership, and it truly is a partnership. We have this fantastic relationship, and we have a great support network, you know, from our account managers all the way through to the technical support, and also the development teams who are working in the incubators and things like this in the background.
So being an alliance partner with Schneider and also with AVEVA helps us actually jointly work together to shape the markets and to deliver and win successful projects.